Welcome to our new video of GitHub integration with Jira. In this video we will see the way of integration of Jira and GitHub by integrating these two dynamic softwares. One can see the updations done in the project. Okay, so let us start our task now. So here is my Jira logged in. Basically, Jira is a tool that keeps update of your projects, like the project updates, and the question arises, what happens when we join GitHub with Jira? So connecting GitHub to Jira allows you to view development activity in the context of your Jira project and issues. In the earlier time, Jira was also called as Jira Software, and you can see the logo has been changed too. First of all, click on the settings logo that is visible on the top of your page. In this settings, now go to the apps, click on it, and wait until it opens. After it is opened, you can now see this is a marketplace and you have to search for the GitHub for Jira. Okay, search for it, and now as you can see I have already installed it. You also have to install it the same way. After its installation is done, now you have to configure it. So on the left side of the panel you can find configure, click on it, and then here you can find I have one organization. If you are new you will have to configure it. So what you have to do is just click here, connect to GitHub organization. Now I am clicking on GitHub Cloud. Now connect your GitHub to Jira. Click on Continue. Select GitHub Cloud, click on Next. If you have not installed Jira on GitHub, it will ask to install you. So go with the steps without hesitating and install it. After installing, you will be asked to add repositories into your organizations, and click on All Repositories or select your repositories. Then you will see that on Jira your repositories will simply be added. Hope this video was much clear to you. Let us meet in our next video then. Thank you.